You also see this. You also see this. I also don't know what the fuck it means, but it's a question mark right there, and fucking health symbols. Yeah, that means it's good. Also, this is my gay grandpa.
Is that like the area? Is this the new area we going to?
Oh, you're gay grandpa.
Yes, LeBron James. He is a very good man.
Adam Sandler.
It's Adam Sandler here.
I think I took a wrong turn.
Kid, you know what this means?
What the fuck
Other-
is he here?
I have no idea.
Why are you here?
We was told there was a monster here, and we have to
Oh yes. Yeah, that monster is called the child molester.
Oh, the child molester. What?
Yes. It's a weird, interesting name, but it only hunts down demons. What the fuck is this? You see right here, this is where you put your dick in and it slices it off. This wonderful machine, it's a biohazard right here.
Oh,
I don't know
yeah.
what the fuck that symbol means, but it's a... no symbol's back.
Here, let me teleport to the camera.
You said the monster was a child molester. Are you suggesting? Oh, you.
Yeah. Right here. See this? You see this?
Upper
See-
floor
see-
is
see-
under
watch out.
ventilation.
See
Wilson.
this?
Who the heck is Wilson?
Upper
Who is
floors
Wilson?
under... fuck.
Renovation.
I think I haven't paid my taxes over 5 years. I think this is a eviction notice.
No, okay,
That's
let's
no
go.
I
shit.
have a question. How did any one of you guys get in here?
No clips to now.
I
We
just
didn't know
spawned
this
in
here,
one day.
man.
I don't know what to tell you. I'm just like that.
I was drinking and driving, and when I hit someone, I randomly passed out and I walk up here.
Nah, me.
Oh yeah. I hit a golf ball in
Hey, wait.
It's here.
Where? Well, we need to sort out.
What the hell you mean it's here?
The child molester's here.
He's right all the way straight. He's like all the way straight.
Wait, I see him. I'm chasing after him.
Whoa.
Maybe he's in the room over here.
You know, my great gay uncle, he used to molest me.
He could be in here, guys. But we have to. Wait, where did Adam Sandler go?
I may have distracted him.
What?
Since I'm 2D, I can line myself up perfectly with the corner. And just start sliding until I get fucked out of here.
So basically, this is the come
Try
to...
jumping into that. Try jumping into that. Oh, what? Oh, is there anything in there? Is there
And he
anything in
still
there?
can't make it up.
Oh.
I'm so
My eyes!
What do you
Oh my god, he's
mean?
Geek Flash!
Hey, my name-
Go!
Oh.
My favorite color
Any second now.
piss. Oh yes, I love the color piss. I love piss.
Why, you lick it sometimes? You lick on the piece all the time? Like, what the hell?
Yes.
Kaboodle!
I also forgot
You
to
think?
inform you, there's a second monster called the Butt Grabber, and he loves
Oh,
raping
what?
people.
No!
I didn't create these creatures. Well, kind of.
I know I didn't.
Yeah.
No, do not call.
Shut up!
You might provoke him.
Welcome to my room. This is where I sleep.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
What
I know.
is in here?
What do you think I hate my life?
Here, guys, absolutely nothing. People, black void. Okay, let's go back to where
No,
we
there's
were.
shit. No, there's nothing in it. Why's your tile missing?
No, there's a time bomb in here. I love time bombs.
Yeah, we're lost. We're completely lost.
We're losing Kit.
I don't give a fuck about her. Wait, her name's Kit?
Yeah.
She's so fucking bright. God damn.
Please follow me.
See your
I
ass.
am following you. Oh, it's close wiring. Yummy wires. I love eating wires. Remember, kids?
You mean we got here?
Watch your face.
We're in the same
And
spot.
drink and drive. What my great gay uncle used to say.
We're gonna drive and take some drugs.
You
What?
got here?
It's so bright in here. Ah! This is my great gay uncle's room.
What happened?
I don't know how the fuck he did that with his room. I actually don't know. This is a young image of my great gay uncle. See this? You see this? See it right here? See this? You see? Yeah! Why am I piss white colored?
Because.
Anyways.
Oh!
Oh yeah, this is my food right here. Look at these yummy glass shards and this whatever the fuck that is. Maybe shit or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna try your food.
No.
Ah, it does taste like shit. Why are you like eating that stuff?
It's literally the only food I can find.
Ooh, piss color.
Why am I piss flavored? Oh god, it's the goon room. It's the goon room! How the fuck did someone get a chair up there? See, he was a professional master abater. He somehow climbed on the wall while somehow doing that while also nutting on the floor at the same time. Then he had a heart attack, not because of gooning, because of diabetes.
What?
So I may have triggered a cutscene, and there's a 10% chance that the bug rabbit would tickle my ass. So of yours. This is where I used to work.
Yeah. How long has it been?
Around 40 years. All my coworkers used to say, they said, you're hallucinating. Why should I go to all the workers? Why